Good morning, everybody. This is Ed Carter, and we're going to do a Trader Vision trade plan here on ticker GLUU, GLUU. First of all, I guess let's, we'll show you how easy it is. We'll just go over here to the weekly. You can see how I have looked for levels that matched up with highs, lows, and bodies. And decided those are roughly our weekly support and resistance levels. Let's go to the daily again. We've got a J hook in formation here. You can see we've got a nice long beautiful run, and let's just put a trend line on that sucker. Whoops, let's try that again. Let's move that trend line in like this. Move it out like that. Something like that. Let's give it a little more room here. And let's then drop in some fibs. Here's a low. It looks like the high there, about 580. And look at that. Those fib lines, the 38.2 extension and the 61.8 extension match up extremely tightly. You can see the 23.6 was support, and that's how I would typically do a fib plan anyway. On the 23.6 retracement, I'm looking for a 38.2 extension, the 61.8, and then possibly the 100. But let's just look at two here. So let's put together a trade plan on that. Let's see what we've got. With a $300 goal, let's go ahead and make this 2-to-1. So we'll say we'll risk 150 bucks, something like that, down to the stop. We've got 6 beautiful bullish indicators, no bearish indicators. We've got kind of a doji sandwich, not quite, but something like it. A doji continuation pattern here, where the doji is stuck between two large bullish candles. It's not quite a doji sandwich, so the Trader Vision did not find that signal, but we got the bullish J hook and a triangle working for us. So let's do a plan here with one entry, 2 exits. We're going to buy on a breakout here, so let's just call that 581. You can adjust this as you see fit. And our stop is going to be someplace above this 550 support, or right at this 550 support level. Let's just go ahead and call it 550. Oops, 550. With the first target up here about, let's call it 645. And a second target up here about 685. It says we can do 483 shares. Let's just round that up to 500. So we're going to have slightly more than $150 at risk if we get stopped out. In fact, if we get stopped out, it'll be $155. But if we sell half of those at our first stop, and of course we'd be moving, or at our first exit, and we'd be moving our stop up along the way, we'll get a little over 2-to-1 at that first exit. If we sold the entire position at that first exit, we'd make 320, and so we would make our goal, and we would get that 2-to-1. But if we hold on to that remaining 250 shares, not only would we have moved our stop up in the meantime, so we would be at 0 risk, but we will also end up getting closer to 3-to-1 on the overall position, and that would be 420, far exceeding our $300 goal for the trade, and so that will be our plan. So this is the featured trade idea for today, Monday the 4th of June, I guess. and I'll get this posted for you very shortly. I want to thank you again for watching, and wish you good trading today.